Delete Instagram account from account list in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to open the Instagram app and then go to your profile, and then what you have to do is you have to in the left corner of top left corner of the your page, you can see the your username, and in the right side of the username you can see the drop down arrow. You have to click on the drop down arrow, and when you click on the drop down arrow you can see the all the accounts, but I have added only these accounts. So what you have to do is you have to click on the settings, and then you have to go to the log out. Here you can see the log out of all accounts. You have to click on the log out all accounts, and then you have to click on the log out. And when you click the type on the log out, then here you can see the all these three accounts. If you want to log out of the account that you want these in the bottom of the account, then what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots in the most right side of the username, all the three dots. Then you have to do you have to uh, select any of the username that you want, and then account, and then what you have to do, you have to click on the three dots, and here you can see the uh, option of the remove. You will need to enter your username and password. You have to click on the remove, and then when you click on the remove, here you can see the account is removed. If you also want to remove the account, this account, you have to click on the three dots, and then you have to click on the remove account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.